Hello everyone, welcome back to Thornton 100 Motorcycles YouTube channel. My name's Jody and today I'm going to give you a tour of my brand new dream workshop build that I've just finished. So I'm going to give you a little bit of an insight into the background of Thornton 100, where I started 3 years ago in a shipping container. The floor was wooden, it kept catching fire, it was freezing cold, the walls were micro thin and the roof leaked. It was an absolute nightmare. So coming from that, going to my old workshop, which you guys will see in this video, we'll give you a bit of a tour of what we had there and how we moved into this new workshop and what I've done to make this the perfect working environment. So welcome to Thornton 100 Motorcycles Dream Workshop Build 2020. Right guys, so this is my big blasting unit and I use this for cleaning off all the paint on all the old frames. Not that I do older bikes anymore, I do mostly new Triumphs now. If you come around here, you'll be able to see the lathe and the bandsaw as well. Those things are great for turning manual parts and prototypes and stuff like that. A lot of my stuff is done on CNC lathes now. So as you can see, I'm absolutely buried in bikes. I've had to stack them up on the workbench. I'm stacked up with parts. I've got barely any space to work. It's an absolute nightmare, but I'm working with what I got until I get into the new place. So this is normally my workbench that I do all my welding on. I've got my TIG welder at the end here. I've got the paint booth here, which is where all the bikes are painted. That's a great little facility. It's properly filtrated and stuff like that. Now I have this area, which is kind of multi-purpose. So I've got a bit of a toolbox area and the toolbox is really small at the moment. It's not really big enough for any of my tools. Can't wait to get my new toolbox. Jody from JTech is going to sort me out and it's going to be amazing. I'm really excited for that. As you guys can see, like I said before, it's tiny. It's served a purpose and it's been really good for what I need it for, but now it's time to move on to bigger and better things and I'm really excited to show you guys what I've got going on in the new workshop. It's going to be such a great facility and I can't wait to take you guys on the journey with me. Okay, so today I've just taken delivery of my 3 Pro Bike bike ramps. We're going to have a look at them in a sec. Also, we've got the Pro Bike tyre machine as well as the ABAC compressor, which is done through Pro Bike as well. I think these two are going to go up the back there, up out the way on the mezzanine floor, along with a couple more bits of kit that's coming tomorrow. As you've seen in the footage, we got it all delivered and it came in and then all of the ramps were the wrong way round. It was an absolute nightmare. So we had to lift them all up, take them outside, put them down, spin them around, get the forklift in the other end, and then drive them all back in. They're still not in their final home yet, so I'm having my 5 meter long tool / workbench being put here. This is the stainless top that's going on it. And I've also got the scissor lifts here, so I'm not gonna be propping bikes up on bits of wood anymore, which is lovely, and also the wheel chocks too. Okay, so today's an exciting day. We're cracking on with the carpentry inside my new unit. So I've got my friend Dale coming around, he's going to help me fit the stairs. And we're just going off now to the builder's merchants to pick up some extra wood, make sure we've got enough for everything we need. And Jody from JTech is coming around later and we're going to install my 5 meter long custom toolbox. Yeah, so it's exciting. It's going to start to look like a workshop now.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the. On record, off record, I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record, I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record.
Okay guys, so it's the moment you've all been waiting for. Welcome to Thornton 100's brand new workshop. So this place is such a contrast compared to where I started 3 years ago in the back of a shipping container. It's such a nice environment to be working all these amazing bikes. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a tour. So all my bikes are now perched on top of Pro Bike ramps. These ramps are so easy to work with. The way that they go up and down, I'm not having to stand there pumping them anymore. They're just absolutely incredible, and they're a lot more sturdy because we're putting expensive bikes on these things and we do not want them falling over. Over here we have the workbench that I bought over from my old workshop, right next to my 5 meter long custom made toolbox that J-Tech Carpentry have done for me. Now they've done an absolutely incredible job. This thing is insane. So we have touchless lights, we got all the displays for my helmets, we have gas struts, loads of storage, soft close drawers. This thing's just absolutely incredible. And again, the matching stainless worktop to the workbench over there. So this place just looks really sleek and uniform. So something I've been really excited to have is my own office. So I didn't have one in the old workshop, but I've designed this one exactly how I wanted it. So we got the grey walls with the Thornton 100 logo on the back there. We've got the black sofa, the grey carpet, the black skirts. Just kind of suits Thornton 100's brand image as well. So we got the desk which matches the 5 meter long custom toolbox that J-Tech Carpentry did for us. We've got the 3D printer and all of my CAD design capabilities here. So it's really great to be able to go outside, measure up the bikes, come back in here, design the parts I need, 3D print and prototype them and put them back on the bikes. Everything's done in-house. It makes my life so easy and efficient. So we're on top of the office here. I've built a little bit of a workshop type area just to supplement what I'm doing down there with the CAD, and I also build my exhaust up here too. So in the corner we've got a small air compressor which runs the tyre machine, so I'm not scuffling around on the floor anymore with tyre levers, trying to get tyres off. So we have the hydraulic press as well, which I use for pressing the stems into the wide wheel kits. Got a little bit of storage back there, which I store a lot of my CAD design parts and CNC parts on before they go onto the bikes. And we just got a plethora of grinders and cutters and stuff like that, and the English wheel in the corner there that I make the mud guards on. Right, so that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the workshop tour. I'm enjoying being in this workshop so much, especially when the sun's shining and it's just lighting up everything so well in here. So if you look to my left here, you'll see a link to Thornton 100 merchandise. Buy the merch, it helps me keep bringing this content to you guys, and it keeps the doors open, the lights on, and it helps me keep building these bikes such as the Speed Triple RS supercharged build and the Triumph TFC Rocket 3 in the background there. Keep an eye out for those videos, guys, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.